Hello and welcome to another TP's Diary video. This is part 2 of the induction system modification of my 1977 Jaguar XJC V12. In this video we are going to be fitting the modified parts and doing a sound test just to compare the modified to the standard. So I hope you enjoy the video. So what I'm doing at the minute is I'm back from my workshop, and you'll see that I've got the old air intakes. Oh, the camera's done something funny. The old air intakes on it at the moment. So the idea is that I'm gonna fire it up. You've already seen me making the new ones. I haven't painted them yet. They're still in the same state you saw in the workshop. But I am going to fit them and then fire up the car. Just make sure it all fits. Make sure all the clearances fit before I take them back. Just finish them off. So at the minute, I think we might do a bit of a sound test. So I have got my iPad out with a decibel meter on it. Obviously, and I'm chatting. You can see it all moving around. But what's going to be interesting is just to see what the effect is with the different air intake, let's call them trumpets, pipes, whatever you want to say, but just see what the effect of those are with the induction noise. So I'm going to be quite intrigued. So let me just sort of get them set up and then we'll go from there. Right, so let's get the car fired up now. Okay. We've got the induction noise as it is. Okay. So if we go and look at our dB meter, our decibel meter now, we can see exactly how loud it is. So that's approximately 73. What I'm going to do now is I'll change the air intakes and see what difference that makes. Okay, now I've fitted them. They fit pretty well, don't they? So now we can. I don't know why the camera keeps doing that. It's quite irritating. You get a bit more used to this gimbal. But yeah, look at that. Quite happy with that. So now we need to do. That's that one there. They all sort of fit. Oh, goodness gracious me. Stop it. So, yeah. They're all fitting quite nicely. So, let's just fire it up. And we can then measure what it's doing. Okay. So it is louder. So 173.5. I suppose it's going to make a difference when the exhaust is in there. I don't know if you can hear me or not, so I'll keep talking. So the basic principles of this is to allow the engine to breathe more, get more air in, and once the exhaust is done, because I'm having some new manifolds, stainless steel manifolds fitted, and a cross pipe in the middle of the exhaust system, and some new rear back boxes. So the idea is that once that's fitted, then it breathes, it allows the air out more. So hopefully then you will see the power output start creeping above 300 horsepower. The idea is that I can still change these throttle bodies and put bigger throttle bodies in, but I haven't done that yet. Because it needs to change the ECU, etc., etc. So anyway, we'll see. But it all fits. I think it sounds better. Certainly feels like it's got a bit more pickup. Get it back to this camera, back to where I want it. I'm sorry if I'm jiggling this around a bit. Perhaps I can. Yeah, I think that's probably good enough. I'll kill it before I get killed by the neighbours. Anyway, quite happy with that little modification. In fact, very happy with that modification. I think it fits in nicely. It looks good. Looks good. The air temperature sensor, that all fits nicely. Looks pretty straight on the top of it. Yeah, so the next job is to paint them, take them off, paint them up. I'm going to change the air filters on it and get some nice K&N air filters in it. And also, hopefully, by the time I shoot another video, I will have sorted out this gimbal and why it keeps jerking around like that. So, there we go.
Okay, so I've now taken off the induction filter covers to take them to work now to paint them, and I have noticed in the near side one that all the paint seems to be coming off this particular one for some unknown reason. If you look right here, so, and that is on the engine side of the filter. So I'm going to now take this one off, take it to work to repaint it. So I will show you when I get there.
So there you go, that's the end of part two. Yeah, I thought that was quite interesting, the difference in noise between the modified version and the standard induction noise. I thought there would be more for some reason, but anyway, I hope you liked that video. If you did, please hit that like button. It all helps. I'm trying to grow my channel, and yeah, thoroughly enjoying all of this. So yeah, and in the next video, part 3, is all about finishing off all the parts. So yeah, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out, and I will see you in part 3.